Hi, I'm Brent. I've got a quickie video update to bring you news and information as fast as we can here from the MRT workshop in Sydney. And today we're going to revisit a video that I did several years ago about the differences between divorced wastegates and turbo outlets and the benefits and the disadvantages of whether you do or don't have it. Now, this particular car, as you can see here, ironically, originally had one of these fitted by us many years ago. The customer, for various different reasons, decided to go to another workshop to get some other opinions. That workshop sold him this outlet after replacing ours, and in the end he wasn't too happy with the result. This is one of the reasons why, and I want to show you. We've since done another update to bring him back to the spec that we're talking about, and this particular wastegate here fits in the back of the turbo like that. Now what you can see, if I get my cameraman to come around here, this splitter here projects into the back of the turbo there. So when that wastegate flap opens, when the car comes on to boost, to control the boost, the wasted gases out of the back of the engine are directed across the back of the turbine outlet, which creates a high pressure zone and has an effect of creating a restriction on the capacity of the turbo to flow air out and down the exhaust pipe. By fitting this here, the wastegate gases are forced into the same direction that the turbo wants to flow the exhaust gas, and in theory they meet in the same direction as it goes down into the high flow catalytic converter. Now these little differences are all what add up to bringing the car on boost early, giving you good throttle response. And when you're considering buying an exhaust system or getting an update to your car, a 3-inch exhaust is not a 3-inch exhaust. It's just like saying I want to buy a ballpoint pen. They're all sorts of different colours, designs and shapes. What you need to decide is what you want to meet your needs, whether you've got an aftermarket turbo or a factory fitted turbo. Most Subaru turbos have that design in the back of them. Some turbos actually have a splitter built into the casting, although not a lot. And this type of divorced outlet was something that we pioneered probably close to 10-15 years ago on the very early Subarus to try and pick up a little bit of performance when the car comes on the boost and as it's obviously generating full load. So there you have it, a couple of little quick updates. You'll notice this car's got a replacement set of extractors. In another video I was talking about how only fit extractors when you are doing an engine rebuild. On these cars these days, a set of extractors with standard internals are not worth the money as a cost investment point of view. Long term you will have cracking problems. They are not as durable and as reliable as the original factory manifold, which is sitting over there on top of a box if I get my cameraman to turn around. And in most situations the original factory manifold will more than adequately provide you good reliable performance when there are other areas that you can invest your money on to get maximum performance and bang for your buck. So there you have it, the difference between divorced outlets on splitters of exhaust systems. One of the small things that makes the difference between an MRT exhaust different to some of the other Chinese branded exhausts that are now available all around the world. And remember, you do pay for what you get. Thickness in flanges, thickness in the material of the wall of the pipework, whether it does or doesn't come with a flexible joint, the capacity and the design of the metal cat, whether it's a ceramic cat, and of course the long-term reliability of the way the exhaust muffler performs. I think that's about all for today. I hope this video has helped you a bit more learning about exhaust systems and how to improve your Subaru no matter where you are in the world. Give us a call, send us a video update to us so we can share it as well. Look forward to your feedback no matter where you are. Make a comment on our channel because your feedback helps us. But for today, I'm Brent Middleton. Thanks for watching.